Hello and welcome to my second episode on how to make levels for Jazz Jackrabbit 2. Okay, this episode will be about how to tier layers, how to uh, use the layers we have. Okay, so let's begin with using our tier set, characters 1. And now, as you see, there are 8 numbers here. So this is because the image will be from these 8 layers, and there are 3 layers, 1, 2, 3, which are in the foreground. The layer 4 is where the rabbit will go. That is the only layer where the rabbit can go. And from 5 to 8, those are the background layers. So it will be all behind everything else. And the funny thing is that it's like layer 5 is in the foreground of layer 6, but in the background of layer 4. So each of them will cover the ones which are behind them. So now I'm at layer 4. I press the button. I'm at layer 4, and here I can make the actual level for my rabbit. So I will put some grounds here, and here I can put evens too, so I can put the start position. But if I go to another layer, like let's go to layer 3, even though I can put grounds, I can select evens. You see, I can select it because I can only put evens to layer 4. So now let's erase these things. And to erase tiles, you have to go to this little tile at the very top of the tile set. And this is an empty tile. And if I go and put it everywhere, then it will erase what I want to erase it with it. So let's go back to layer 4. You know, if I just press one of these numbers, I can go to that layer. I can go to each of them like this. And also in my keyboard there are the numbers 1 to 8, and I can use them to see the number changes there while I'm pressing the buttons of my keyboard. Okay, so there's my layer 4. This will be my layer 4. Now I will make a little background. So let's go to layer 8. Okay, this is a small place, and this is the wire background of everything. It usually is a sky or a plain black something, or the wall. You know, it must be full because it will be the very background. So I want to make here a sky, and the steel set gives me this big image, and this can be a sky, but now it doesn't fit it perfectly, and I want to change this to a special background type. So if I want to change a layer, there's this little icon. I can click it. I click it, and here I can set up the layers properties. I can set it X and Y speed, auto X and Y speed. These are the speeds how it will move compared to my rabbit. These are the size. This is the size. Width is this one, and height is this one. So I want to change it to the special background mode, which is texture mode. I press this. I take this, and now it will create an actual nice background. And it automatically sets the width and height to 8, and my big blue sky has also this size, so it's alright. Okay, now at this mode I can set if I tick this, there will be some white dots there. There will be some stars in the background, and I want some stars there, so I tick this. And these are colors which I can set for my background to be at the well, now you don't see, but I will give it some blue. So these numbers can be between 0 and 254, 55 maybe. Okay, so I will set this 50. Okay, now I press OK. You see the size changed, and now I can put there my background. And if you see in the parallax view, this texture is always fitting the next one. So there's this thing, tile width and tile height, which makes it always be, well, infinitely be repeated. Those are the two things. Tile width means like this, it will make it infinite, and tile height makes it infinite like this. Okay. So I have my background now, and I want to make some other backgrounds. And for this, I will go there, and I want to put there some big carrot. So let's select this big carrot. I will put it here. Now I will make it big. Okay. Now I want to put more of these big carrots, and a useful thing here I can do, because you see it's very big, I can zoom out. So see, I can zoom out a lot more, so it will be like this. Okay. So if I want to select my big carrot, which I actually made there, I press the B button, B, and I can move it around, and I will select the whole carrot and press B again. I don't have to hold my mouse button for that time, and then I can put it everywhere I want, and I will put there some big carrots like this. And this will be my background. Okay, so this will be my background, and there will be also two other layers which I could use for backgrounds, but now I won't use them. Now I will show you the actual level to let you see how it will look, because in the parallax view it doesn't show the exact special background which I have set it up at the layer 8. It doesn't look like it. I will show you how it looks. So let's go to File, Save and Run, Layer Level, Save. Now it opens up, and you can see the background. It's really nice. And there are the carrots in the background too. And they move with different speeds. And I can set up those too, but I will explain how to make good backgrounds in a later episode. Okay. So this is my nice level. Okay. Here actually the foregrounds. I will show you how to make a foreground layers use. So I want to use layer 3. I go here, and first I will set up my layer 3. I press the layer 3, or I could just select it here. But I select layer 3 and I change its properties. I want to set its X speed to 1 and its Y speed to 1 too, because the basic speed of the layer 4, which goes with my rabbit, is 1, and if I set it at 1, it will also go with it, so it will be like the environment of the rabbit. Okay, I needn't change these because these are bigger than my sprite layer. It's 200 and this is nearly 400, so it doesn't matter here. And now I just press OK, and now the layer 3's speed is the same as layer 4's. So you will see the parallax view, that if I say I want to put this stuff here, this little tree. It goes with it, even though it's in another layer. You don't see it here, so you don't see it at the layer 4. You see it at layer 3, but it appears there. It will be the final look. Now I run it to let you see. I'm there, and if I go there, I can see the rabbit because it covers it. This is a foreground, so a foreground layer 1, 2, 3. These always cover the rabbit and everything else behind it. Okay. Now I will show you how you can use layer 3. For example, to make a secret, I will make a little thing here, like this, little ground, and like this. So I want to hide my coins in this place. I want to hide my coins there. So what I have to do is go here, select this whole place I want to cover. I select this tile and I go there, I pull it there, and now I'm not pressing my mouse button, I just press the B key. So I go here, I select this whole place, and now I got this place. I put it and I go to layer 3, or you can press the numbers and then you needn't go there with your mouse. So I will press the keyboard number 3 and I'm there. Now I put this here, so it will be in the foreground. This thing will be in the foreground. It will cover everything behind it. So now I can do that. I go erase this place here, and now you see at the final view it will cover it, but with my rabbit I can go there, and I will put there some grassy ground too. So I will put there some coins. So pickups, I will go so let's do it again. I go right click, select event, pickups, and goodies, and there I go for a silver coin, and I paste it 4 times. So there will be some hidden coins. That's very nice. Okay, now let's test our level. Save and run. And I go there, and you see I can collect the coins, and my rabbit isn't visible, and the coins aren't visible either. That's what layer 3 is mainly useful for, but also you can decorate things with it. Okay, so this was my first episode on layers, and I'm going to make more episodes on layers, mainly on how to make good backgrounds and what types of backgrounds are there, and also I will explain a few things about the foregrounds. So thanks for watching, and bye.